Hi, welcome to MT for Everyone. Customization of corpus-based MT engines tutorial series. This is a step-by-step guide on how to train a phrase-based machine translation system. The following videos will aim to cover the 5 key phases of the process. The first videos will focus on the collection mechanisms to obtain and prepare the datasets that will serve to train the language and translation models. Then we will show you how to set up a SaaS platform to train our first engine. Phase 3 refers to the interpretation of the automated metrics reports provided immediately after the training is completed by the Canton MT platform. Then we will show you the mechanisms allowed by Canton MT to improve and further customize your engine prior to retraining. The last phase refers to the use of human-based evaluations to determine any measurable improvement and to assess the usability of your engine. Customizing the MT engine is an exciting experience if you know how it works. Follow this tutorial series to learn all about it. If you find this helpful, please like it. Machine translation technology for everyone.